Hey beauties, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how I got this very trendy winter look. I will keep coming across our supermodel pictures, especially after the Victoria's Secret fashion show, with a makeup look like this, the eyeshadow application just like this. So I decided to give it a try and it looks fabulous. I absolutely love it. As well as I'll be talking about other trends of a 2018 upcoming year. I'll chat with you about some gifts, about Christmas, about family vacation, about plans, and other very interesting stuff. As well, I'll talk a lot about winter skin preparation with my favorite products. So please keep on watching, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel. I love you guys and I'll see you very soon. Happy holidays! I'm gonna start my winter balance makeup by applying my favorite moisturizer at the moment by Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench. It contains hyaluronic acid. It feels amazing. It feels like water. It's very easily absorbs with your skin. It's oil free, so it doesn't leave any greasy film. It's absolutely amazing. It feels like water. This is my third jar of it. I'm absolutely in love. I already hooked all my friends on it. It's wonderful. It moisturizes the skin on molecular level and helps to lock in the hydration for 72 hours for all the skin types. Now I'm gonna apply my favorite winter liquid foundation, which is actually BB Tinted Moisturizer by Tarte in color light medium. Because it is a moisturizer, it looks very pretty glowy and very well balanced on the skin, especially for the winter time. I'm in love. It has a light to medium coverage, and if you need a little bit more, you can add a few drops of a regular liquid foundation of any brand. The holiday season is still going on. We did enjoy our time with the family and friends. It was really nice to see everybody. It was awesome. We're so busy with the work, me and my husband. Before the end of the year, we have to catch up with everything. So many clients, so many duties, taxes, and whatnot. It's just very overwhelming. I just want to wake up in 2018. Now I'm gonna apply my favorite concealer by Under Eye in color medium. It is waterproof, full coverage, anti-aging, hydrating concealer. That's exactly what we need. For the presents to each other, me and my husband decided not to go all out, but rather take the money and go on a couple of days for a getaway. We're definitely ready for that. And I cannot do my winter makeup without my favorite MAC Illuminating Hydrating Strobe Cream. I'm gonna apply it on the high points on my face. Although I was really excited and happy with some presents for my office space. It was about a month ago when I walked into my office room where I actually spent the entire day, all day, every day, and it just looks so gloomy to me, so dark and not girly. And I say, hey, I don't even have any inspiration to sit in there and work. I need to change some things up. I need to add some decor items, some throw pillows. And my theme in here is like white gold, silver. Everything is super bright, super white, clean, and very glamorous. So he also surprised me with a few very unique items. I really like them. I'll share in a second. Check this clock out. That's gonna be sitting on my desk from now on. Isn't it pretty? It is so sparkly. It's super unique. I love it. Oh my gosh. It's so cool. I'm in love. He got me some candle holders for the ambience. I love candles. He knows that. I'll show you. These are two candle holders, one a little taller than another. It's gonna stay like this. I already tried them out. These are just plain white candles, but you can put any scented candles in it if you want, or you can drop a few drops of lavender oil or some peppermint, whatever makes you more productive and motivated throughout the day. So I use those from now on. As well as, it is so funny, me and my husband, we have a little war going on because I always come in like in a Home Goods or whatever store is, and I love pictures. I love wall decors, and for him him, it is another hole in the wall. No, 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 no. It's another hole in the wall. So he always says, okay, we're getting this picture, but instead of the one that you already have, you have to take it down and put on the same nail this one. So that just doesn't work for me. It's been so frustrating for both of us. Anyway, so for Christmas, he got me these wall decor. These are metal confetti dots. See how pretty they are? They're all metal. It's 16 of them in a box, and they are sticky decor. Sticky decor for the wall. That's how he made fun of me. I mean, I like it. It's super pretty. It looks like champagne bubbles. It's very cute, but really sticky wall decor? I got a few items from Victoria's Secret. My favorite perfume I'm going to show you guys. This is Bomb. This is a Bombshell by Victoria's Secret. It smells like heaven. It smells very girly, very flowery, but expensive at the same time. I used to have a spray bottle, just a body mist of it, and the smell just didn't stay on. So I used to have this Crystal by Versace. It's right here, and I just realized that they smell like 95% the same. They even have a very similar packaging, but I love this scent. They are very similar. I just realized that. Yums, 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 yums. Now I'm gonna fill in my brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in color medium brown, and I'm gonna link my eyebrow tutorial down below. Now I'm gonna prime my eyelids with a Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer by Elizabeth Mott. And I'm gonna apply just a little bit of transition shade, Soft Brown by MAC, from the lid all the way up to the brow. My dog really enjoyed Christmas and her presents. I wrapped her favorite treats probably a week before Christmas in the wrapping paper, and she smelled it through and would not leave them alone. Like, I'm literally saying that she was sleeping right next to the box, next to the tree. It's crazy. It was so funny. She was so cute. If you guys didn't see the picture on Instagram, I'm gonna post it right here. She is adorable. It's very trendy right now to apply shimmery eyeshadow not only on your lid, but in the crease and above the crease to blend it in. I'm not a huge fan of that application. It will not particularly suit all the eye shapes and all the age categories of women, but let's try. Let's give it a try. And for that, I'm gonna use Foil Eyeshadow by Makeup Geek in color Magic Act. Really like this color. It is gold, but it's not too dark orangey, it's not too bronzy, it's not too coppery red, and it's not too silvery white. So it's perfect for my skin tone and my hair color. I really like it. I really enjoy it. I do not recommend this kind of an eyeshadow application for the ladies who have fine lines on your eyelids. And I'm gonna add just a little bit of darker shimmer to define my crease from my Tarte palette in color Fire. And I'm gonna apply the same eyeshadows on my bottom eyelid with a flat definer brush. I'm gonna apply a very generous shimmer amount. For my false eyelashes today, I'll be using Kiss in Style Poise. I'm gonna link my false eyelashes application video down below. I already read in a popular magazine an article about trends of next year. That's gonna be a colorful eyeliner, as well as a gold, silver, rainbow eyeliner. So I'm sure you'll see all these videos from the video bloggers and makeup artists on YouTube. So wait for it. I think the brown mascara will look so pretty with this look if you like those. I'm gonna finish off my face with the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Shimmery Bronzer. use Nude Lip Liner by NYX in color Naturalle. And a lip gloss by Tarte in color Golds. And that completes the look. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Happy holiday season. Mwah.